When should I take Mucinex expectorant? This medication is used for the temporary relief of coughs caused by the common cold, bronchitis, and other breathing illnesses. This product is usually not used for ongoing cough from smoking or long-term breathing problems, such as chronic bronchitis, emphysema, unless directed by your doctor. How to use Mucinex? Take this medication by mouth with or without food, as directed by your doctor, usually every 12 hours with a full glass of water. If you are self-treating, follow all directions on the product package. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Dosage is based on your age, mSwallow the tablets whole. Do not crush or chew the tablets. Doing so can release all of the drug at once, increasing the risk of side effects. Drink plenty of fluids while taking this medication. Fluids will help to break up mucus and clear congestion. Any cal condition, in response to treatment. Do not take more than 2,400 milligrams in 24 hours. Do not increase your dose or take this drug more often than directed.